So, dear participants, the process for sharing your feedback or your experience for this workshop will be like that. Those who wish to say something need to first write in the chat box about their willingness, and just after going through the you can say through the chat box, we will allow him or her to share his or her views. So you may just write in the chat box that I wish to share some. Now Dipanshu Sharma is writing in the chat box. Mm. So Dipanshu, will you be able to switch on your mic and share it verbally, so that all may listen and all may just add upon that also? Dr. Puneet, is it possible to just give him the access of mic so that he can share it?
Yes, sir. He can unmute, or I will unmute him.
Yes. Dipanshu Sharma, you may just start sharing. Unmute your mic and start.
And other participants also, if anyone wants to share and speak something, write in the chat box so that we can come to you later on.
Good morning, ma'am.
So
Good morning. Good morning. Yeah.
Sir, I really enjoyed the online classes, and I thought it was well planned and layout and easy for me to follow. And they were not they were not loaded and rushed like quiz and Harvard. They have enough time to do it. And sir, it was very great opportunity for us to understand the online classes of Python. And in the situation of currently like COVID-19, so that I was very thankful to you and all this organizer to get me these opportunities. Thank you, sir.
okay, thank you so
Such a
much.
nice. Dr. Puneet. Really great words of appreciation, and wish you the best, Dipanshu. And in near future, we will be continuing with these courses through the center. Thanks a lot.
Thank you, sir.
Any other
fine.
Any other participant, whosoever wants to share his or her experience of the workshop, can write in the chat box.
And we really would like to hear from the students from all the participating institutes,
Okay,
like CCET, GPW, and UIT. Means students from all these three institutes should come forward.
So Tushar
Now Tushar.
Yes.
Yeah.
So Tushar can unmute himself and then share his ideas and share his feedback. Tushar, if you are listening.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine.
Respected teachers and sir, I was very thankful to you to providing us a big opportunity to learn Python language. So thank you, sir, for it. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Okay,
thanks a lot. Yeah.
And next, Sejal Mangal, you can unmute yourself and then you can start speaking. Sejal. Sejal. Okay. Is this at your end or from our side? Okay, that's fine, Sejal. So thank you for your feedback that you find it very informative. So anyone else? So Khushi Garg, Ekant Garg, these all were very active during the whole workshop. So they can also add something if they want to. Bhavya. Kashish. Aman. Yes, Udeshwin. So Deshbind, you can unmute yourself and then you can share your feedback.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Ma'am, I want to say that session was really especially and really good, as during the quarantine we don't have enough work or any type of extra work to do. So it became more interesting for me and really enjoying. And especially that we were not overburdened, and every now and then new teachers were introduced to us. So it became also interesting for me. And we also got an opportunity to learn Python, which is very useful in today's scenario. So I would really like to thank you for this.
Okay, thank you so much, Deshbind. So overall, as the feedbacks are coming, we are overwhelmed by, after listening that all the things were very, very interesting, and the participants have really gained something from this workshop. So, Kashish, you want to add something? Aman Goyal, Khushi. Okay, Khushi, it is very nice. So you can unmute yourself and you can share your words. Okay, your mic is also not working. So, okay, that's great, Khushi, that you find this session very, very good and interesting. So, anyone else?
And one thing more for all the participants, that language should not be taken as a bar upon expressing something or learning something or disseminating or share something. Language is just a medium between the people just to interact. So you may share in any language, in Punjabi, Hindi, English, Hindi, whatever it is, whatever language you know, we will just translate it
Yes,
to our own language. So don't feel in that way. You are all welcome to share the real feelings, what you got, what you expected and didn't achieve. All are just welcome to share from deep heart that what you felt about the workshop or the course.
and also
Language is no.
also, if you find something not interesting, not good, and you want to you want some improvement in the future programs like this, you can also share that.
Yes, yes, definitely. We are also in a, you can say, dire mode of having the negatives of the workshop, negatives of the course also, so that we can improve them in the next course.
So, Kushagra, Dhruv, Shivam.
Good morning to all present. Am I audible?
Good morning, Aman ma'am. Very good morning.
Hi. Yeah, actually, initially there was my problem, so I was not speaking anything. Yeah, Shivam, please come up and speak something.
Ekant also. Ekant was very, very active during the whole session. So we would.
Shivam has presented a very nice website, and also a few of other students.
Okay, so Kashish Kaur has written that she has a mic problem. So thank you, Kashish, for your feedback. Ekant, if your mic is working, you can unmute yourself and you can give your, you can share your ideas and share your feedback with us. Okay, your mic is also not working, so it's okay, no problem.
Ekant Garg has written that we learned Python from scratch along with most of the Python libraries in just 1 month. It was a great workshop. So good, Ekant, you learned a lot. And Kashish Kaur Johar has written that I really enjoyed this online Python workshop. You all are the best. Thanks a lot, Kashish.
Thank you,
You
Kashish.
give her your best, teacher. Yeah, definitely. Teachers will start the session from the basics so that so all appreciations for our experts. And one thing just to stress upon that we really work very hard to find suitable the good experts for this course, and we devoted a lot of effort in doing this exercise. And by the grace of the God, we really found them all at their best level, and they really devoted their good time there and shared their knowledge up to the peak. So that is great for our course.
Shivam, we are waiting for your feedback, beta.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Shivam.
मैम मैं ये कहना चाहता हूँ कि जितने भी हमारे ऑर्गेनाइजर्स को मैं थैंक करना चाहता हूँ कि उन्होंने हमें ये अपॉर्चुनिटी दी कि हम अपने इन क्वारंटाइन के डेज में हम अपनी जो स्किल सेट है और नॉलेज है उसको बढ़ा सकें और काफी कुछ नया गेन कर सकें। और जैसे आपने हमें अपॉर्चुनिटी दी पाइथन लैंग्वेज सीखने की, और जो हमारे इंस्ट्रक्टर्स थे जिन्होंने भी हमें पढ़ाया इस दौरान, उनका भी काफी थैंक करना, उनको भी काफी अच्छा लगा कि उन्होंने काफी अच्छे वे में हमें एक्सप्लेन किया सारा कुछ। और जितना भी हमारी क्वेरीज थी उन्होंने ये नहीं किया कि किसी को भी टाल दिया हो कि नहीं नहीं नहीं, उन्होंने जो जिस तरह से बन पड़ा उन्होंने काफी अच्छे वे में हमें एक्सप्लेन किया। तो इस सब के लिए थैंक यू, बस मैम यही कहना था।
Okay, thank you, Shivam. Thank you for such a nice words for the organizers and for the experts also. So every expert and every teacher always wants that her students should be satisfied with whatever he or she is teaching to them. So thank you, thanks a lot. So Resha, you want to say something? So Ravi Dutt, we have got your lines. So if you can unmute yourself and you can share with us your thoughts. So Ravi has written that I thought that the class would be just about you teaching and we learning, but the course was very interactive. So thank you. So you can unmute yourself. Kamaldeep Singh has also given his feedback. So Kamaldeep, you can unmute yourself if possible. So Kamaldeep has written that I really enjoyed the online course. I thought it was well planned and laid out, easy for me to follow. The workload was just enough so I could finish everything with enough time, learn about the topics and not feel overloaded and rushed. So that's very nice lines, Kamaldeep. Thanks a lot. But it will be very good if you unmute yourself and you share your words and feedback. Harman, can you unmute yourself?
Students, please unmute yourself and share your views.
Kamaldeep, Ravi Dutt, Harman.
Puneet ma'am, all of them are from whosoever is spoken about or written about, all from UIT or from CCT also? Any idea?
No idea, ma'am.
No idea. I just want that from CCT we will also few students come forward and tell us.
Ma'am, Kashish Kaur is from
Okay,
CCET,
okay.
Tushar is from CCET. So that's really nice that CCET
Okay.
are also giving us
Great, great, great.
Shivam,
Yeah. So most of that. Okay.
Panshu Sharma. So Sudhanshu Sharma, if you can unmute yourself, it is a request that please unmute yourself and you speak speak out the words or speak out the feedback.
Yes, Sudhanshu Sharma, please unmute yourself and share verbally. We really are very happy to read it, but it's better if you can just unmute yourself. Unmute kar lo bete, Sudhanshu. And really a very good response from CCT Diploma Wing. We really are very happy to listen the good words from CCT students.
Okay, students, you can also share some ideas on future workshops only. That in what topics you want for the in more workshops, so that we can work on that also.
Okay, so Sudhanshu Sharma is saying that no mic. Okay, fine. Manjot is also written. Okay, thanks Manjot, thanks. Manjot, if you are having your mic in good health, then you may just switch it on.
श्योर सर बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस था जो हमारे फ्यूचर में काम आएगा मतलब जो हमारा एरिया ऑफ इंटरेस्ट था वो हमें जानने को मिला इसमें काफी अच्छा मतलब ऑर्गेनाइज था सारा टीचर्स ने काफी हेल्प की
ठीक है बेटा,
थैंक यू सर
थैंक यू
So thanks a lot. So Tarun Bhatia, Shivam Gupta.
Bhatia, switch on your mic. And one thing more that I want to have the feedback about is our YouTube channel. One problem I already know that there is some you can say missing voice in many places, in many patches. That was due to just a network problem only. So we want to have a few words about that also. The videos that we are consistently uploading on our YouTube channel, just to make things easier for you. We want to have a few lines about that also, your experience. So Tarun Bhatia, you may switch on your mic and start sharing. Okay, Tarun is saying mic is not good. Okay, Shivam Gupta, if your mic is working, then you may start the conversation.
So there is a query from the student side that when will they get the certificate? So you can kindly throw some light on this also.
Yes. I'll be sharing, madam. I will be sharing later on. We'll be sharing all the information about getting the certificates and the contact person, etc. We all will be giving to you.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Yeah, Shivam Gupta. Yeah, but
Kritika.
And sir, one query from students are also, some of them are missed to upload the projects. 2-3 students. So
yeah,
they are requesting yesterday that how to upload the projects now.
Okay, we will be providing you the email ID. You may directly send your projects to that ID. We will be scrutinizing them. And yes, beta, bolo.
Okay,
Rajat Mahajan, speak up.
Hello, sir. Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah.
Sir, I said a great introduction to Python and whole program. Everything is broken down, making it easy to understand, and had zero programming experience before. And this class made it easy to find get intro. And sir, first time I had done any course online, and this was a wonderful experience. I learned all this stuff, and explanation provided was good. I would like to do more courses from here. Thank you, sir.
Okay, great, very great. Rajat Mahajan, thank you very much.
Thank
We
you, sir.
really we really will be sharing the information about our next course that will be probably upon machine learning or IoT and big
Yes, sir.
data. Means these three topics are allotted to us as run under AI branch. So we definitely will be running one of these courses in near future and sharing the information with you also.
Yes,
So
sir.
thanks a
Sir,
lot.
I should have that IoT में आप करो. IoT.
Yeah. Okay, bete. Okay, we definitely will be thinking in that
Okay.
line.
Okay, Kritika,
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Sharma. Kritika,
Yeah, Kritika.
you can unmute yourself and you can share your words. Nimrat Matharu. So Sudhanshu Sharma has written that everything was good, but the next step, the workshop there should be more planned exercise and the project work so that we can practice more and know where to implement the things in future. Okay, thank you Sudhanshu for giving us the ideas, and we will definitely try to cover all these topics and we will improve the exercise part and project work. So thank you. Nimrat Matharu, if you can unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
It was a wonderful session, ma'am. Most of the students need some push to study. Like in this quarantine, we all got a lot of lazy and sleepy all the time. So this workshop helped us make proper schedule to study and learn new skills like Python, which is a very vast language and it is very trending these days in our field or like engineering. So we really want more sessions in near future. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Nimra. Thank you so much for such nice words. Muskan, we would like to hear from you, Muskan. Surya Kapoor.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sir.
Muskan, good morning.
Ma'am, it was
Good
a
morning.
great learning experience for me, as in this quarantine I was lazy enough, and due to the workshop, my schedule got planned for such great session. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Muskan. So, Surya Kapoor. Okay, so Vishakha has also given her feedback. She's saying that her mic is not working and she want to share that it was really informative session. Best thing, there were different experts. So thanks to all organizers and the tutors. Thank you, Vishakha. Surya Kapoor, please unmute yourself. We want to hear from your side. Siddharth
So
Jain.
okay. So Surya Kapoor has written that the idea of recording and posting on YouTube is very good, as we were able to revise or recall any topic about which we were not clear, and overall great sessions, mentors. So thanks a lot, Surya Kapoor. And Siddharth Jain, again, just reiterating that the idea of YouTube channel was good. Siddharth Jain, if you can just unmute yourself and share it verbally, then it really would be great.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Actually, it was a really good. All over the month was very good. It was really interesting to learn a Python in this way, and also it giving the information of deep learning, AI, and the web development. So it was a really informative and good session. Really, I want more session in the future.
Okay, thank you so much, Siddharth.
Okay,
Thank you.
Great, Siddharth. We really are very happy to listen from you, the positives, and we'll definitely plan the next course and communicate and the group also. So thanks a lot.
Hello.
Yes, Harman.
Good morning. Earlier it was a mic problem. My voice was not coming.
Okay. So good morning, Harman. So you can share your words.
The course was very great. Actually, in this quarantine time, we are not studying or doing anything. This course helps in making a proper schedule, and we enjoyed the previous 1 month, and it helped a lot. Actually, we learned a lot about Python, and thank you for this course. Teachers were also very great. They cleared every doubt of students. So thank you for conducting this course.
Thank you, Harman. Thank you so much for sharing your feedback with us. So Shiva Raman is saying that his mic is not working. So thank you, Shiva, for your feedback.
We would like to hear from some students of GPW, Government Polytechnic for Women, Sector 10. If there are some students, then please unmute yourself or write in chat box. We want to have a holistic view from all the institutes about the course. So is there anybody from GPW present here? So Manroop, you may just switch on your mic.
So first of all, I would like to thank. Yes, sir.
Yes, Manroop.
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes, Manroop, you can speak.
First of all, I would like to thank for the precious time you all spent with us. It was really worth attending. The sessions were very good, and I enjoyed every bit of the interactive sessions. And we are looking forward for the more sessions. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Manroop. Thanks a lot. Kushagra Sharma, you can also share your words with us. Unmute yourself and share your words. So Shiva Raman has given a special thank for Urvashi ma'am. So Shiva, we will convey your message to Urvashi ma'am. Thank you.
Okay, now Kushagra Sharma has written that it was a really nice session. It covered all of the content for a beginner for Python. And now she is sharing that there was some time gap between the uploading of videos on the YouTube channel and the finishing of the real sessions. So actually that time was due to the conversion that GoToMeeting perform for every meeting being conducted over it. And after that conversion, YouTube channel itself consumes a lot of time due to the low bandwidth of data available with us. So that gap was due to these problems. And in the near future, we will try to just overcome them and try to reduce this time gap also. So thank you, Kushagra Sharma. Now, Jaydeep, please unmute yourself.
Yes, Jaydeep, please unmute yourself. Okay, so Jaydeep has written that his mic is not working.
And now what Jaideep is sharing, that really great sessions, learning from experienced teacher is the best thing that we got in the quarantine. So thank you and the organizing team. It was really helpful. We all are looking for this type of great sessions like ML, DL, and AI. Definitely, Jaideep, our future plan are to conduct the same kind of workshop, same kind of courses for IoT and machine learning also. So thanks.
So Japnoor,
Japnoor, if you can unmute, then we really will be very happy to hear from you.
Good morning, sir. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, beta.
Generally, ma'am, this was the best workshop I have ever attended. It was really insightful and interesting, and thanks for the training. We really look forward to more such sessions.
Okay, thank you, Japnoor. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
So Rohan, you want to say something? You want
And also we have few master students in this workshop. If anyone is present, kindly share your views.
Okay, so last few minutes for sharing feedback. Is there somebody who still wishes to share some experiences out of the workshop or the course? He or she is most welcome. I think Dr. Puneet, Dr. Amandeep, it is done for the feedback session.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, fine. So now let us pursue for the next program, that is the last words from the organizers for this course. So let me start from being the last session of this online program, which has been going on since last month. I congratulate all the participants as well as the experts who have been together since the month. Thank all the experts for doing such a great job. They really were very helpful. They tried their level best to resolve the queries. They listened to the participants. They really did a great job. And that is the main pillar behind the successfulness of any workshop or course of this kind. So I hope that this online program would have helped you to increase your knowledge, and we, being the organizer and being the project investigators for this center, will try our level best to bring up these kind of programs in near future also, so that you may increase your knowledge, you may enhance your skills. I again thank you all, and really the patience of your all are appreciable. So great thanks and best wishes for your career. Thanks a lot. So now I invite Dr. Puneet to share her views.
Okay, thank
Dr.
you.
Puneet.
Thank you, Dr. Mukesh. So I thank all the participants for being there for a month, and very patiently and very interestingly they had taken part in all the sessions. And we hope all the participants have enjoyed the course and learned a lot about the Python programming from this course. And also we hope that this 1 month long online course on Python programming has benefited the participants with plenty of learning and experiences. and will definitely have given them the insights for developing projects using this Python programming. So thank you all the participants for your participation and for your great interest in the workshop. This always gives the organizers the a way for organizing more workshops if the participants are very keen about all these things. So thank you very much. Thanks a lot, participants. So thank you,
So,
Mukul sir.
Doctor, yeah, thanks a lot, madam. Great. Now, I request Dr. Aman Deep to just share her views.
Okay,
Dr.
thank you,
Aman?
sir. Yeah, sure. So first of all, I want to congratulate all of you, all the students who were with us from the last 1 month. And I also would like to thank all the experts who had shared their knowledge with the students and make the students able to write the program, right to do the programming in Python. Also, we have tried to do the basic concept of the web designing in the last session that the student enjoyed, and few of them also make a very good website that yesterday I have seen in the afternoon session. But I just want that all of you must try to present yourself. But only 11 students had presented yesterday, but all other must try to understand the concept and try to implement all that you have learned during this 1 month course. So this is my I can just say one suggestions to all the students, that now please try to move in the same direction, so that you must I think so I can just say that to be a good programmer in this direction, you have to practice a lot. So all of you, please do that, and my best wishes for your future. And also we will take all your suggestions that you have given to us regarding the future programs, online courses. We will take care of all of those comments. So thanks a lot to everyone.
So thank you, Dr. Amandeep. Really great words from Dr. Puneet and Dr. Amandeep, and really very humble thanks and very great appreciations for Dr. Amandeep and Dr. Puneet. They really devoted 2 hours per day from the last 1 month sitting on the GoToMeeting, managing each and everything. Really appreciable job done by Dr. Puneet and Dr. Amandeep. Thanks a lot again.
Thank you.
Thank you,
sir.
So the query that is on the hit list is that when the students or participants will be getting the certificates and how will they get it. Now I consulted the coordinator or the HOD from CCT, from GPW, as well as the person from UIT also. We were to make a decision whether to provide the e-certificates or to provide the hard copies, hardbound certificates to the participants. So we reached an agreement that we should provide the hard copies of the certificates. So the same we have followed. We have already in the process of finalizing the certificates, and by next Tuesday all the participants may collect their certificates from the respective person. The respective person from CCET and GPW is Dr. Sunita, the HOD Computer Science from CCET Diploma Wing. Means CCT Diploma and GPW students may collect their certificates from Dr. Sunita Mehta, HOD Computer Science, CCT Diploma Wing. And the UIT students, whether they are B, PhD or ME, they may collect their certificates from Mr. Lokesh Miglani or from Sunaina Gulati from next Tuesday onwards. So today is 30th. From 7th onward, you may collect your certificates, and you may ask them to just share the pic of your certificates. Also, they will be helping it for you. So these are the two contact person, Sunita Mehta for CCT, DPW, and Dr. Lokesh Miglani and Sunaina Gulati from UIT. So you may collect your certificates from them from 7th of July onwards. Before that, just do not contact them, as they will not be having your certificates. Is that fine? So great. So that is all for today, dear participants. Wish you the best. Do well in your career. Experts and we are always available to solve or resolve any of your query. So thanks a lot for bearing with us. So thank you, Dr. Puneet. Thank you, Dr. Aman.
Thank you, sir.
We may just end the meeting.
Thanks,
And
sir.
and all participants are requested to mark their attendance also. That is being circulated in the chat box. So thanks a lot. We may all have the end up for this course. Thank you.
So thank you, participants. Thanks a lot, and all the best for your future. So I am ending up this meeting here.